The Ganga is the most sacred river in India, originating from Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayas. The river is 2525 kilometers long. In India alone, the Ganga basin spans an area of around 8.6 lakh square kilometer. It flows through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, and West Bengal. The Ganga continues into Bangladesh, its name changing to the Padma. It is then joined by Jamuna, which is the lower stream of the Brahmaputra, and eventually the Meghna, forming the largest delta in the world. And finally, it empties into the Bay of Bengal. This river is associated with four land basin, which is formed due to the collision between Indian and Eurasian plate, leading to the upliftment of Himalayas and the downward flexure of Indian plate. This basin is filled with nutrient-rich alluvial sediments which is carried by River Ganga, and it covers around 40% of total area and has created a fertile plain that supports extensive agriculture and more than 40% of India's population. The major cities that are located on the bank of River Ganga are Haridwar. Haridwar is one of the 7 most holiest places in Hinduism. The pilgrims visit here especially for the Kumbh Mela, which is held every 12 years. The pilgrims also visit Har Ki Pauri, which is a famous ghat in Haridwar. Kanpur, it is an industrial hub. The river plays a crucial role in the life of the people and providing the resources to the people who are living here. Allahabad, which is also known as Prayagraj. This is famous for the renowned Triveni Sangam, which is a confluence of River Ganga, Yamuna, and mythical Saraswati. At this place also, Kumbh Mela held every 12 years. Varanasi, which is the spiritual capital of India. It is also one of the oldest living cities in the world. And this place has many ghats, which includes Dasashwamedh Ghat, where every evening Ganga Aarti takes place, and Manikarnika Ghat, which is one of the holiest cremation ground in India. Patna Ghats are busy with ritual bathing, especially during Chhath Puja, a major festival which is dedicated to Lord Sun. Bhagalpur is known for its silk industry, and this has also got a GI tag, and River Ganga plays a very important role in the life of its people. Kolkata, Hooghly River, which is a distributary of Ganga River, plays a significant role. Ganga Aarti, especially at Dakshineshwar Kali Temple and Belur Math, plays a very important role in this place. Friends, Ganga has many tributaries. One of its tributaries, that is Falgu River, in the ancient India it was also known as Niranjan River. It is said that Gautam Buddha have attained enlightenment on the bank of River Falgu, which is located in Gaya. So let us understand more about the tributaries of River Ganga. The Ganga river system has several major tributaries that join the main river at various locations. Bhagirathi, which originates from Gaumukh near the Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand. It joins with Alaknanda at Devprayag to form Ganga. It is believed that river descended from heavens to purify the souls of ancestors of King Bhagiratha, which is why the river is also known as Bhagirathi. Tehri Dam is the tallest dam in India and 13th tallest dam in the world. It is a multi-purpose project on the Bhagirathi River in Tehri Gharwal district of Uttarakhand. Alaknanda, which originates from Satopant Glacier, located above Badrinath. The term Panch Prayag refers to 5 sacred river confluences in the Gharwal region of Uttarakhand, where different tributaries merge to form Ganga River. Their confluences are Vishnu Prayag, where Dhauli Ganga meets Alaknanda; Nand Prayag, where Nandakini meets Alaknanda; Karna Prayag, where Pindar meets Alaknanda; Rudra Prayag, where Mandakini meets Alaknanda; and finally Dev Prayag, where Bhagirathi meets Alaknanda. And from here, it is known as River Ganga. These confluences hold immense religious and spiritual significance in Hinduism. At each of the confluences, with large influx of pilgrims who visit the state for pilgrimage of the Panch Kedar and Sapt Badri temples, and large religious towns have developed. Pilgrims take a dip in the river in the Devbhoomi, as Uttarakhand is commonly known. The Panch Prayag are integral to the Char Dham Yatra. Char Dham Pariyojana aims to improve the connectivity to the Char Dham Pilgrimage Center, which includes Badrinath, Kedarnath, Gangotri, Yamunotri in the Himalayas. Srinagar Hydroelectric Power Project. And this Srinagar is not located in Kashmir, it is located in Pauri Gharwal district of Uttarakhand. It is a hydroelectric power plant built on Alaknanda River. Birds like Kalis pheasant, targopans, and various species of vultures are all in Schedule 1 of Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, and endangered fish golden mahseer are among the wonderful species found here. Left bank tributaries of Ganga are the Ram Ganga, which rises in the Gharwal district of Uttarakhand and joins the Ganga near Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh. The Gori Ganga, also known as Sarda or Saryu River, originates in the Milan Glacier of the Nepal Himalayas. It is a downstream of Kali River or Mahakali River. The Kali River in the Kalapani region demarcates the border between India and Nepal. Both the countries have border dispute over Kalapani, Limpiadura and Lipu Lake. The Treaty of Sugauli, signed by the Kingdom of Nepal and British India after the Anglo-Nepalese War in 1816, located in the Kali River as Nepal's western boundary with India. The Gomti, which originates from Gomattal near Uttar Pradesh and joins the Ganga near Saidpur in Uttar Pradesh. Ghagra. It originates from Tibetan Plateau and flows through Nepal into India from the Mapcha Chungu Glacier. After gathering the water from its tributary, the Tilla, Seti and Bedi, it emerges through mountain near Shishapani and joins the Ganga near Chhapra in Bihar. Important cities along its course include Ayodhya and Gorakhpur. The Gandak, which is also known as Narayani, originating near Tibet-Nepal border, joins the Ganga at Hajipur in Bihar. In the Nepal Himalayas, the Gandaki is notable for its deep canyon. Gandak project, a joint initiative of India and Nepal, includes barrage at Valmiki Nagar in Bihar and generates hydropower at Surajpura in Nepal. Valmiki National Park and Tiger Reserve in Bihar is located on the bank of this river. The Kosi. It is a transboundary river which flows from China, Nepal and India. It is also known as the Sorrow of Bihar due to frequent flooding. The Kosi originates in Tibet and passes through Nepal before entering India. It merges with Ganga near Kursela in Bihar. The river has been significant in the history and the culture of Mithila region. The right bank tributaries of Ganga. Yamuna. It originates from Yamunotri Glacier, which is located on the western slope of Bandeir Punch. It is Ganga's longest tributary. At Prayag, it merges with Ganga. Its left bank is joined by Hindon, the Rind, Sengar, while its right bank is joined by Chambal, the Sindh, the Betwa and the Kane, which comes from Peninsular Plateau. Chambal River originates at Janapao Hills south of Mahau town in Indore, on the south slope of Vindhyan range in Madhya Pradesh. The Chambal is well known for Chambal ravines, which are part of badland topography. The Chambal River is used for hydropower generation at Gandhi Sagar Dam, Rana Pratap Sagar Dam and Jawahar Sagar Dam. Chambal River is also famous for National Chambal Gharial Wildlife Sanctuary, which gives protection to critically endangered gharial, the red-crowned roof turtle and endangered Ganga River dolphin, which is also known as aquatic animal of India. Son, another right bank tributary of Ganga which rises on the plateau of Amarkantak. It flows through Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, joining the Ganga near Patna. The river reaches Ara west of Patna, where it joins the Ganga after generating a string of waterfalls at the edge of the plateau. Bansagar Dam, a joint project of Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, is located on the Son River. Rihan Dam, also known as Govind Ballabh Pant Sagar, is the second largest dam of India by volume. It is situated on Rihan River, a tributary of Son. Damodar, which is also known historically as River of Sorrows due to its destructive floods. It originates in the Chota Nagpur Plateau and joins the Hooghly River in West Bengal before eventually merging with Ganga. It is vital for its coal-rich basin and industrial towns like Asansol and Durgapur. The Damodar Valley Corporation was established in 1948 making it the first multi-purpose river project of India after independence. It was built on the pattern of USA's Tennessee River Valley Authority. The major dam includes on this project are Tilaiya, Konar, Maithan and Panchi. Dear friends, River Ganga forms a lot many landforms. In the upper courses, when the velocity of river is high due to higher gradient and the slope, the river does vertical erosion or valley deepening rather than lateral erosion, which leads to the formation of deep V-shaped valleys, gorges, waterfalls, and rapids. When the river reaches to the middle courses, the velocity decreases because of the lowering of the gradient or the slope, and hence the lateral erosion dominates and the valley starts widening, which leads to the formation of U-shaped valleys, meanders, and oxbow lakes. And when the river reaches the lower courses, then it forms floodplains, natural levees, and deltas. Ganga Delta is arcuate-shaped or fan-shaped delta just like Indus and Nile. Sundarban area is a mangrove area in this delta, and this mangrove forest is the world's largest mangrove forest of the world. This is also a habitat of Royal Bengal tiger, which is an endangered species. Sundarban is also world-recognized UNESCO site. It is a Ramsar site, it is a biosphere reserve, national park, and also a tiger reserve. Knowing the importance of River Ganga, Uttarakhand High Court has recognized River Ganga as the first living entity in India, granting it as the same legal status just like a human being. National Waterway 1, which runs from Prayagraj in Uttar Pradesh to Haldia in West Bengal, making it as the longest inland waterway of India. National Ganga Council is to ensure the effective abatement of pollution and the conservation of River Ganga by using a river basin approach. It was formulated under the Environmental Protection Act of 1986 and it is chaired by Prime Minister. And National Mission for Clean Ganga is an implementing arm of National Ganga Council. Friends, do let us know if you have liked this video and thank you so much.